My name is Kunal Koppula. I'm the head of data engineering at Makena Capital. Makena Capital is a private endowment. You can think of us as a fund of funds. And the big challenge for us from a data perspective is that we have lots and lots of data vendors, and we have 20 years of workflows that aren't data native, AI native. Previously, in an old paradigm, we had an existing tool that had been around Makena for 20-ish years. It was really a one-stop shop for like all private asset information. So whether that we're talking about cash flows, or like calls and distributions, you're talking about NAVs, we want all of this information to live in one place because that's how investors look at it. It was in an Excel file that had a copy for every quarter. It was about a 50% chance of it opening properly because it was so big. We've adopted the approach that we don't want the data team to be the only source of creating new tooling. We want the people who have all the context, which are analysts, who are interfacing with other funds, that are interfacing with our clients. Like, those are the people who know what they're looking for. There shouldn't be a disparity between the builders and the context and content managers. One of our power users has been working on a tool we call ScenarioLab. In the asset management business, yes, you need to establish your historical information, but you need a lot of tooling to say, like, if we make certain decisions, what does our portfolio look like, right? Whether that's budget, projecting your budget, whether that's, evaluating certain scenarios of market drops, cash inflows from new clients, redemptions from old clients. You need to be able to sort of model all of that to say, like, how are we going to make the right decision, right? If we make these sort of assumptions, what does our portfolio breakdown look like in 3 to 5 years? We want to have tools that allow you to turn certain controls, add certain assumptions to an input table, and just see what everything looks like. We have the platform to really let us do whatever we want. Day by day, it's getting easier with Sigma's incorporation of AI to build new things from scratch, whether that's autonomous agents or agents that help you build workbooks, agents within a workbook. And if Sigma disappears, we're not going to be able to build as much and as quickly as we want. Sigma's just in that right niche of, learnable, but not like overly technical. Sigma's really allowed us to say, you don't need to be a full stack engineer to build something. We are turning investment analysts into Sigma builders, over the course of 1 to 2 projects, which really has a snowball effect in terms of, what we can get accomplished.